Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is Yoga Taught by Taylor, and we're going to do a quick morning flow. So meet me in your comfortable seated posture, crossing the legs, lengthening up and out through the spine. Relax your shoulders down and back, and I invite you to close your eyes. And deepen your breath in and out through the nose. Welcome to your practice. Welcome to the body. Welcome to the breath. Drop your chin to your chest. We'll start our mindful circles, inhaling up towards the right. Let your ears sweep across your shoulder. Let your head roll across your back. Exhaling down. Let the chin roll across the chest. Moving with the breath. One more round. Next time your chin comes to your chest, send it to the left. Taking your time, noticing what's there. Just one more. And next time your chin comes to your chest, we're going to interlace the fingers behind the head, dropping the elbows in like you want them to touch. And then we're going to inhale, open up, lift our gaze, squeeze our shoulder blades in, belly button back. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, open. Exhale. One more, open nice and wide, opening through the heart. Squeezing the shoulder blades together. Exhale, let it go. And we'll come back to neutral. We're going to take our circles here, opening up the hips. Rotating to the right, let your body roll through center. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more round. Hang out where you need to. And we'll take it to the left. Two more. Notice where the mind goes and bring it back to the body, back to the breath. We'll take our arms up and out, palms facing in, belly button back, palms forward. We'll exhale, float it down. Walk the hands away from you, relax your sit bones, relax your face, just sink into this posture. Breathe into the ribs. Starting your day intentional. Listening to what the body needs. We'll walk the hands over to the left. Reaching out over the knees, sink into it. See where you can just soften and relax into this posture. And we'll take it to the right. Reaching out, then sinking in. Nice full breaths in and out through the nose. We'll press into our right elbow, reaching out with the left fingertips, palm facing down, side body stretch. Creating more space and openness in the left side of my body. Inhale, rise. Exhale, sink. Switch it out. Press into your elbow, reach out through the fingertips. Relaxing the knee down. Nice full body breaths. And we'll inhale back to center. Exhale down. We'll bring our opposite foot forward. Still finding that nice long spine. Relax the shoulders down and back. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale, float it down. Walk the hands out, sink into it. Inhale, sweep the right hand up and open. Exhale, thread your needle, palm facing up. Sink into your shoulder. Without judgment, just allow yourself to make this shape. Giving our shoulders and our hips a nice deep stretch. We'll inhale, open. Twisting wide. Exhale, float it back to center. We'll switch it out. Exhale, thread your needle. Sink into it. Deepen the breath. Keeping the mind anchored in the present moment. We'll inhale, open. Exhale, down. And walk the hands back towards you. Take the legs straight out in front of you. Pressing out through the heels. Reaching up and out through the spine. I want you to squeeze and flex the toes. Moving with your breath. Try to make some circles for your ankles. Thanking the feet for all they do for us. Coming back to center. Inhale, rise. We'll take one more fold. Exhale, down. Let your hands frame your legs, forehead towards your knee. Breathe into the ribs. One more breath. And gently rolling up through the spine. Taking your time. Lengthening up and out. We'll bring the soles of our feet together for butterfly. Hugging in the feet nice and close, grab a hold of your toes. Use your elbows to sink into your thigh. Relax the knees down towards your mat. Again, I invite you to close your eyes. Deepen the breath. Sending your breath all the way down the spine and into the hips, into our root chakra. Using our breath to keep things moving and flowing, releasing any stagnant energy as we prepare for our day. One more breath. Gently release. Coming back to that comfortable seated posture. Hands to heart center. And closing the eyes. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up this morning. Taking time for self. Time for your practice. May your day continue in ease, flow, and openness. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you.